Indian Railway rules. Good news! Now TTE cannot check your ticket in trains. Know these rules of Indian Railways if you do not feel like traveling during the journey. Then no one can disturb you. Let us tell you what are the rules of railways. Indian Railways is called the lifeline of India. About 40 crore people travel in trains every day. While traveling in trains, every passenger wants their journey to be comfortable and pleasant. But it is often seen that people have to face problems regarding noise, ticket checking or seat in trains. If you do not feel like traveling during the journey, then no one can disturb you. Let us tell you what are the rules of railways according to the rules of Indian Railways. If you are sleeping during the journey, then even TTE cannot pick you up. If a passenger is traveling in the train since morning, TTE cannot disturb you after 10 p.m. That is, TTE cannot ask passengers to show tickets or IDs after 10 p.m. The TTE has the right to check the tickets of the passengers only between 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Passengers who are traveling since morning, TTE can also wake them up from sleeping, because TTE has a list of all passengers, in which they know which seat, which journey, where and where has been doing. His ticket has been checked in the morning itself. According to the guidelines of the Railway Board, if a passenger boards the train after 10 p.m., the TTE has the right to come and check your ticket and ID. Right to sleep on middle berth. At this time you must have seen that most of the time during the journey there are some such passengers who are traveling in the lower berth and are talking to each other about not sleeping after 10 o'clock in the night. Due to this, the passengers reserved in the middle berth not only have to wake up waiting for them but also have to wait for their kindness. According to the rules of the railways, passengers traveling on the middle berth can sleep after opening their seats after 10 p.m. Also, after 6 o'clock in the morning, the passengers with the middle berth have to open the seat, so that in the morning the passengers below can sit on their seat and travel at their convenience. This is the rule of two-stop. There is also a provision of two-stop in the railway. That is, if a passenger is traveling in a train and has not reached his seat, TTE cannot allot your seat to any other passenger for the next 2 stops of the train or for the next 1 hour. This means that if the passenger does not reach the seat till the next 2 stations of your boarding station, TTE will assume that the passenger of the reserved seat has not caught the train, and after crossing the third stop TTE will allot your seat to the second passenger in the RAC list. Can do.